Hi there, students. To chivvy, okay? To chivvy. This means to nag or to hassle somebody into doing something that they don't really want to do, to hurry them up, yeah? To nag somebody consistently into doing what you want them to do, to encourage someone to do something that they're not very happy about doing. So, if you've ever tried to get kids ready for school in the morning, you have to chivvy them along. Yeah? Um, or in the evening, they really don't want to do their homework, so you've got to chivvy them into writing their report. You nag them, you badger them, you keep saying, come on, do it. Yes, so very often to chivvy somebody along, come on, go faster. Yeah, we're going to be late. Yeah, so I had to chivvy them along, or we were going to be late. And then to chivvy somebody into doing something, to hassle them into doing something. So the charity tried to chivvy the government into enacting new laws about this. Yeah. Um, if you don't chivvy people along, they are very often very slow. They just go at their own pace. But if you chivvy them, you hurry them up. Come on, come on. Yeah, you push them along with lots of like little attacks. Because you can also use this verb to chivvy, meaning to harass somebody with little attacks. So the press were always chivying the politician. Yeah, the political opponents were chivying the prime minister. Yeah, so yeah, they were really trying to chivvy him into doing what they wanted. Notice, I think this verb to chivvy, this is very British. I'm not sure if the Americans are going to actually understand this one. Yeah? Okay, so to chivvy somebody into doing something. Yeah. Yeah. If you're a financial controller, you need to chivvy your clients into paying their bills. Yeah, because well, they're normally rather slow at doing it. You can also use this to chivvy, meaning to get something or to move something by lots of small maneuvers. So I had to chivvy the car out of the parking space because there were two cars really close to me. Or yes, this the onion was, or better, the gherkin is a pickled little pickled cucumber was stuck in the bottle, and I had to chivvy it out with a knife. Yeah, moving to get it to come out. It's this is the idea. I'm annoying it with little attacks or little maneuvers with the knife. Yeah. So yeah, a good commander will chivvy his troops along. He will use a few well-placed words. It's like to nag, to plague, yeah, to chivvy somebody along, to get them to do what you want them to do by persistent requests. Okay, so to coerce or to hurry along with by nagging somebody again and again and again. You can actually also use this verb to chivvy in British English, meaning to chase or to hunt. I think particularly from fox hunting, to chivvy the fox. So the dogs were chivying the fox, running after it, pursuing it, harassing it. And that's the gives you the idea of chivvy. As to formality, I think I would probably give this word chivvy 4.5 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation, sounds great. Use it in a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing just about, but no more. Yeah. And remember to chivvy along, to chivvy somebody into doing something. Then as to origin, it probably comes from a ballad, a song called The Ballad of Chevy Chase. Yeah, published in the 16th century. Chevy Chase was a large country estate where animals could be hunted, and it's in the Cheviot Hills. So maybe Chivvy comes from the Chariot Hills in between Northumberland and the Scottish borders. Okay, so to chivvy, to harass along, to nag, to try to get somebody to do something, to badger them to do it. So the kids were trying to chivvy me into buying them the latest toy. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To Chivvy.